The subject that we are about to discuss in this presentation is global information technology issues. We divided this subject into three main parts. First, we will talk about networks. Second, regulatory issues. And third, technology. We will begin this presentation with Andrew.
Today, I'm going to talk about the global issues surrounding worldwide networks. One issue today is the efficiency of different networks worldwide. Underdeveloped countries have a lower efficiency due to poor infrastructure and low capital. Larger countries, on the other hand, tend to have a higher network efficiency due to more advanced systems and a higher developed infrastructure. Another challenge today is setting network standards that all countries must follow to ensure that all countries can communicate with each other. One company in particular is the International Organization for Standardization. Reps from over 100 countries worldwide work together to set net-related standards of tech and open system interconnection to ensure full connection for worldwide communication systems. Now on to regulatory issues.
Regulatory issues in global IT consist of dealing with transborder data flow restrictions and regulatory international politics. Transborder data flows, or TDFs, are the transfer of information over telecommunications networks across national boundaries. Some countries believe that it is a violation of their national sovereignty because the transference avoids customs and tariffs that other forms of information transfer would have to pay. It is also seen as a threat to local IT industries as it opens the door for cheap outsourcing to nations with cheap information labor and low TDF regulations. Some nations place restrictions on TDFs to protect their interests. The European Union has extensive restrictions designed to protect EU citizens, which it prevents the transfer of information to countries without proper security or privacy measures. Other nations use similar policies, but the United States has very little protection for citizens' privacy. Most nations have to enter into agreements with other nations, like the U.S. has with EU, but in order to get around the regulations, the agreement forces the United States to enter into a self-regulatory program that gives EU consumers information to how their personal information will be used. Now on to James.
Global information systems must support a diverse base of customers, users, products, languages, currencies, and laws. Managers should expect conflicts over local versus global system requirements and difficulties agreeing on common system features. For a project to succeed, the development environment should promote involvement and ownership by all local system users. To solve problems that arise in global information system development, companies can start by setting up a multinational development team with key people from several subsidiaries to ensure that the system design meets the needs of all local sites as well as corporate headquarters. And now back to Sharina.
We hope that you now have a better understanding of global IT and the issues surrounding it. We will conclude this presentation with three questions regarding the chapter.